Hi everyone! Today we're going to be making mushroom quesadillas. In this recipe, I will be using 10 cups of chopped mushrooms. I will also be using fresh epazote. I will also be using 1 onion and 1 jalapeno, but if you prefer it being more spicy, you can use 1 serrano. I will be using mozzarella cheese, but if you want to use a different type of cheese that you would prefer, that also works. I will also be using corn tortillas, but I'm going to be making mine from scratch. And we will also need salt to taste. Alright, with the wet paper towel or whatever you want to use, we're going to gently clean the mushrooms. Alright, now we're going to cut the mushrooms. Alright, now we're going to cut the vegetables. Alright, now that all of our ingredients are ready, we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, in a pan I'm going to add some oil and I'm going to put in the onion. Okay, we're going to be cooking them for 2 minutes. Okay, I'm going to add in the jalapeno. And we're also going to let them cook for 2 minutes. Alright, now we're going to add in the mushrooms, and we're going to let them cook for about 8 minutes. And at this point you can also add salt. Alright, now we're going to add in the fresh epazote, and we're going to let everything cook for another 2 minutes. Okay, the mushrooms are ready, and now we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, now I'm going to make the fresh tortillas. Okay, now that the tortillas are ready, we're going to move on to the next step. Alright, now we're going to start making the quesadillas. We're going to start by adding in the cheese, and then we're going to add in the mushrooms. Alright, our quesadillas are ready. You can eat these with your favorite salsa or whatever you like. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I recommend that you guys try it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.